Chef Chronicles episode 12, sweet and sour chicken over coconut rice. It's hot out there. Get myself together. I can't cook it all this heat. Let me get comfortable. You got some boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've washed and patted dry. I dice it up, small cubes. Julienne some red and orange bell pepper, saute it together, make a nice little Asian inspired glaze, serve it with some coconut rice. We're gonna eat good today. Rotate it, come across the opposite way. The knife do the work for you. As long as your knife's sharp, you'll have a good day. Dull knife is actually more dangerous than a sharp knife. You gotta apply more pressure with a dull knife. Get this knife going through this chicken breast like a knife through hot butter. Easy money, just like that. Cool. Now we got our chicken chop. I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper, and that's it. We're gonna get our peppers ready and we're going to the stove. Cut this bell pepper, pull all this inside out the pith and the seeds and the core. Just right there. Cut it in half, cut the bottom off. I'm gonna slightly go up under the skin, the membrane, just cut that pith out of it. The membrane right there. You get the idea. Nice clean flesh like that. Just cut it down, matchstick size. I'm gonna do one whole red pepper, one whole orange pepper. Y'all stay tuned. Now we're gonna get this coconut rice started. Coconut milk, and yes, I'm still eyeballing, so don't even ask. That's about right. You know what? Add a little more, just cause. Add some water. 1004. Yeah, about that. That comes to a boil, we're gonna add our rice. We're almost finished. Cook this chicken, make the sauce, and that's what it is. Hot pan, then butter or oil. Right now I'm getting my pan hot and ready. Add some butter to it. Got my diced chicken that I seasoned with a kosher salt and black pepper. That's it. Like I said, I'm getting a pan hot and ready. Once that is hot, I'm gonna saute the chicken, add the bell peppers, create the sauce, and go ahead and dinner. So, since we're doing like a Asian base flavor, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil to my pan. See, my pan is hot and ready, like a little Caesar's pizza. Baby.
Pizza.
It's smoking, and a little bit of butter. Add my chicken. Might have to cook it in batches depending on how much you got. That's cool. I don't want to overcrowd the pan like I said. Cook it in batches. That's what we're gonna do. Nice golden brown cut that is produced. That's what we want. Now I'm about to add, using the same pan. I'm using the same pan because I want to build that flavor profile up. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. I'm getting ready to saute the bell peppers. Add my bell peppers. Much direct contact to the pan as possible. Go for like a minute. Get everything else together to build the sauce. I said we're doing sweet sour chicken, so something sweet and sour. Alright, as you can see, my peppers are starting to brown around the edges, get nice little caramelization going on. Get softer, so I don't want them to be too soft like mush. I want them to have a little bit of bite to them still, so I'm gonna go ahead and start building the sauce right now. First thing I'm gonna do, add 2 cloves of garlic. Also add 2 cloves of ginger. A little bit more butter. Never had too much butter for most stuff. Alright, I said it's sweet and sour chicken, so we're gonna start with this sour. Add a little tang to it. Just a splash of rice wine vinegar. Use that to degrade the pan. Not too much, it's real strong, real potent. So that's gonna be my sour aspect. Matter of fact, I'm gonna add a little lime juice too. to help go to the sour side. The rice ware vinegar and lime with the soy sauce. To thicken it up, I'm gonna use a cornstarch slurry. So I'm gonna add a little cornstarch. You gotta remember, I said a sweet and sour chicken, right? So you know, I already seen me add the rice wine vinegar, the lime juice. You see me go savory and salty with the teriyaki and soy. Now I know y'all probably like, what's the sweet part? Good old juice. Yes, juice. Good old Minute Maid. Eyes not deceiving you. I'm gonna use that to make my slurry. See, I added the slurry and it started to thicken up, right? And now y'all thinking, oh, his sauce too thick. What are you gonna do? Got the pineapple nectar and another level of sweetness, a little bit of acidity. It's gonna balance it all right back out. We gonna stir it, get that consistency back to where we need it to be. It's easy. You see that? You see how it's going back to, you know, nothing. Straight right there. A little bit more, you know, never had too much pineapple. A little bit more this minute, man. Y'all thought they called me the hood chef for nothing? Come on, man. It's me you talking to. Give it one more stir. We got our chicken that we put off to the side. And go ahead and introduce the chicken back to the party. Mix them all together. Get it nice and coated. Our rice should be done right now. It's time to plate and eat. We got this. Full rich meals, man. We eating over here in real life. Chicken is ready. Made the sauce. Rice should be done. Let's check the rice. Hot and steaming. Rice is done. It's time to plate. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching Hood Chef Chronicles, episode 12.
Blow money like I never even seen that. Blow money like I never even seen that. It's the realest shit you ever seen, yeah. Ride hard so clean with my seat back. Blow money like I never even seen that. Blow money like I never even seen that. Blow money like I never even seen that.